Good morning, Miss Melly.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation. I will ask from the homework, summary point, vocabulary list, and books. We can start from homework first. We'll open the science homework that you have made. Okay, here is the science homework from the chapter 1, flowering plants. Please answer from the question number 1, Miss.
Okay. What is seed dispersal? What is seed dispersal? It's seed the spreading of seed away from the parent plant. 2. Why do plant need seed dispersal? Because B, to avoid overcrowding and compete for like water and space. 3. Which of the following can help disperse seed? It's wind. C. How do some fruit disperse their seeds? The answer is A, by exploding.
By exploding.
5. What help disperse seed in water? It's D, floating ability. Which animal can help in seed dispersal? B, squirrel. What is germination? Germination is the process where a seed grows into a young plant. What must seed have to germinate properly? It's air, water, and right temperature.
For this one, Miss, wait first. So you have a statement here, which animal can help us in dispersal? The answer is
Squirrel.
squirrel. So how this animal can help the seed dispersal?
This animal had this seed dispersal because the squirrel can exploring the plant or the tree, and then exploring the plant can touch the stigma or the pollen grain. So the squirrel be pollinator with the
Oh yeah.
plant.
Okay. Next discussion. Part B.
Okay, the toys were scattered all over the floor. What is definition of both word above? Scatter means it's spreading around and moving away. The number 2, the scattering of seed away from the parent plant, it's known as seed dispersal. 3, mention 4 various ways seed dispersed by wind, exploding, animal, and water. Seed need what to germinate? Seed need right temperature or suitable temperature and water. What is definition of accurate? Accurate it exactly has no wrong or without any error.
Okay. I think you can change this kind of sentence later. Seed need what? What does seed need to germinate?
Oh yes, sir.
Okay. Is it questions?
Okay, what is the function of brightly colored petals and how do they help the flower reproduce? Brightly colored petals from the flower attract insect or any kind of animals. That insect it's explore the flower or the plant, and then the pollen ground stick on their body and exploring to another flower, so reproduce of the flower happening.
Okay. Yeah. Number 2.
How can insect is the important things that help plants reproductions? It is because many insect in the flower that exploring to another plant, and then the pollen gun can stick to their body.
Okay. So the insect will travel to another flower and move the
Pollen grain.
yeah. Okay.
So another stigma.
Okay. This one could you explain this germination process?
Okay. The step 1 is the dry seed takes in the water, and then the step 2 it's the root become growing, and then the step 3 it's the root growing inside and then reach the sunlight to growing upper, and then the 4 steps it's the stem become strongest, and then the root become uh, dispersed or making many, and then the 5 step it's the first leaf growing.
Okay. Now we can move to math. So this is about prime number. Okay.
Which which of the following number is a prime number? It's 31. What is the next prime number after 11? It's 13. Which number has exactly two factors? 1 and itself, it's 29. Is 400 is divisible by 100? Yes.
So what it means by prime number actually?
Prime number is that number can divide, that the factor is 2, 1 and itself.
Okay. Factors. So have you explained to the students what it means by factor?
Yes, it's like factors. It's the number that building that equal.
Number that building the equal.
Yeah.
Or you can say the number that can divide the whole number, right? For example, 10. So the factor of 10 is 2 because 2
Times.
can divide the 10.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, we can speak. Okay, part B.
An orchard harvests 2,556 apples. The apples are packed in 6 boxes. Are there any apples left? 2,556 divided by 6, there is no apples left. From 0, 1, and 2, the smallest prime number is 2. Distributed or selected from a group called among. What is the definition of start point? It means where something begin or beginning. From number 4, 6, and 8, the smallest even composite number is 4.
Okay, next.
Okay, make factor for 43 and 68. Then declare it is prime and composite number. 43, the factor is 1 times 43 or 1 and 43.
Yeah.
And then 68, the factors is 1 and then 2, 17, 34, and 68. And then 43 is prime number, 68 is composite number.
Composite number, what is it, composite number?
Composite number that the factor is more than 2.
Oh, the opposite of prime number.
Yes.
It means composite number. Okay. So this one, which number is divisible to divide by 6?
Okay. 1,649, 4,662, 2,563, that divisible by 6, it's 4,662.
Only one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one, which number that can divide divisible by 5?
Yes. The number that divisible by 5, it's 75. And then 20, 300, 1,000, 325, and then 7,220, and then 40. That's all I think, sir.
There is the conclusion that we can check from here, right? It means there is a conclusion that we can check from here. It means the number that can divide by 5 always ends with 0 or 5, right? Just like this one, the ones is 0, so it means definitely can be divided by 5.
Yes, sir.
Next, matematika. Ini tentang bilangan caca sampai 1 juta.
Oke, berapakah hasil dari 325.000 ditambah dengan 175.500.000?
Oke, Miss. Ini konsep pengerjaan seperti ini, bagaimana cara Miss mengajarkan ke siswa? Nomor 6.
Kalau saya urutkan dulu dari ratusan, sesuaikan dengan ratusan, puluhan sesuai dengan puluhan, satuan dengan satuan. Lalu kalau kita pakai cara lama atau cara biasa, dari bawah ke atas, lalu ke arah yang lainnya. Tapi kalau tips lebih cepatnya, saya akan berikan kepada siswa dengan caranya, ini kan sudah nol semua, tinggal dikalikan 6 dikali 1 sama dengan 6, tambahkan semua nolnya ke dalam angka tersebut.
Ya. Berarti hasilnya adalah
60.000.
60.000. Oke. Pertanyaan nomor 1, Miss.
10.287 nilai tempat pada angka 0 yaitu ribuan, 28.000, 78.260, 61.900 dan 61.859, 28.008. Urutkan bilangan tersebut dari yang paling terkecil. Yang paling kecil 28.000, lalu 28.008, lalu 61.899, 61.900 dan yang terakhir 78.290. Membuat menghasilkan barang jasa disebut dengan memproduksi. Para ilmuwan berusaha mengidentifikasi jenis bakteri baru tersebut. Definisi dari kata bercetak tebal adalah membuat menentukan ataupun membuat yang baru. Lalu nilai tempat ratusan bilangan 45.780 adalah angka 7.
Oke, lanjut.
Buatlah dua bilangan saja yang terdiri dari 6 angka yang berbeda. 636.
6 angka yang berbeda. Buatlah dua
sorry.
bilangan saja yang terdiri dari 6 angka yang berbeda.
700.062, 345. Terus
762.000.
iya, 762.401.
Ya, 401 juga bisa.
Ya.
Okay, I think we can move to the books. So here the math books, and for the next week you will teach from page 7 until 10.
Yes.
Okay, could you solve this one, Miss? Question number 3.
Okay, Eddie has 336 stickers. He wants to share the sticker equally among 3 friends. So the 336 need to divide by 3. And then he say he will be sticker left after that. Do you agree, disagree with Eddie? Explain your answer. 336 divided by 6, 8.
Divided by
6.
6 or 3?
Sorry, 3.
I think it's not 3.
3.
Because the question is he want to share to his 3 friends and
Himself.
himself.
4. It's mean 4.
Yeah.
Nah, it's mean Eddie. Eddie wrong with that because there is left sticker. Because 336 cannot divide by 4.
336
Yes.
cannot divide by 4?
Cannot.
Are you sure? Let's count again. Because 100 can divide by 4, right? It means 300 can divide by 4. You have 36 left, and 36 can divide by 4.
Oh yeah, can. It's mean 80 what just now? 81 the answer. So there is no left. Eddie is correct.
75 plus 9, 75. 81?
81, I think.
Please count again first. You can just...
84.
Yeah, 84.
I need the marker. It's okay.
Yeah, you can use this one. This one. If Eddie shares the sticker, how about this one?
If Eddie shares the sticker equally among 7 friends and himself, so 336 divided by 8. How many stickers will be left? Explain your partner how you found the answer. Can you open the empty page so I can...
And you can use this one. Wait. Let me set this one. Okay.
Just now 306 divided by 4.
8.
32. By
No, divided by 8.
8, yeah. Sorry.
Let me... Yes. Okay. 330. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Finish.
336 divided by 8. 4.
Yeah, 4.
32, 1, 6, 2, 42 can.
Yeah,
The left is 42 stickers.
42 stickers. Actually, because you have got here 84 before, right, in the part A.
Yeah.
So this is 4, his 3 friends and himself. It means they are 4. And this one, 7 friends and himself.
Yeah,
it
8.
means they are 8. So actually, if you got here 84, you just divide it by 2. So you got 42, right? Okay. Now we can move to the science book. And for the next week, the science part will be teach from 13 until 21.
Yes, this one.
Okay, so seed dispersal. Uh, please explain how many ways that the seed can dispersal with all the objects around. How can the seed is dispersal?
Oh, the ways have a 4 various way.
Okay.
Wind, explosion, water, and then animal.
Animal.
And then the seed need to be scattered away from the parent.
So let's explain this 4 various way.
4 various way.
Yeah, I mean for animal, how come the animal can have the seed dispersal or water?
But this animal like squirrel always exploring the trees or some plant, and then they will eat their food, and then the rest of the food will be fall down to the ground, and then the ground will be accept the seed, and then the seed growing become the young plant and then become the adult plant.
Oh yeah.
And then with the
Wind.
Oh yeah, with the wind, it's like you ever see like the plant that can blow like this one.
Oh yeah. Okay.
If they blow and another part of the plant fly away to touch the ground and can be accept to another young plant, and then disperse to the water. It's mean like some seed can fall down to the water, and then the seed takes the water in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Some fruit explode disperse their seed. Like some of the plant, sometimes they explode. Like this fruit explodes and disperse their seed far away from their parents' plant.
Okay, I see. Okay, now we can move to the summary point now. Okay, we can start from Mathematica first. Bisa dijelaskan tentang poin ringkasan ini, Miss?
Yes. Oke, penjumlahan dan pengurangan bilangan dapat dilakukan dengan bersusun pendek dan bersusun panjang ini harusnya.
Oke. Bersusun
karena-
pendek itu bagaimana, Miss?
Apa sih?
Bersusun pendek itu cara mengurangkan atau menjumlahkan dua bilangan menggunakan cara bersusun pendek itu bagaimana?
Oke, kalau cara bersusun pendek seperti cara biasa yang kita lakukan, ratusan diurutkan dengan ratusan yang lainnya, lalu puluhan dengan puluhan, satuan dengan satuan, baru dijumlahkan. Namun kalau cara yang bersusun panjang itu sedikit lebih baru, dengan cara pertama sekali kita harus menguraikan, misalnya 410, kita pisahkan mereka menjadi 10 dan 0.
Oh iya.
Lalu di bawahnya mungkin ada bilangan yang baru, kita uraikan kembali lalu kita jumlahkan semuanya. Lalu yang kedua ada susun bilangan sesuai dengan kolom puluh ribuan, ratusan, puluhan, dan satuan. Sama seperti cara bersusun pendek, karena sebelum menjumlahkan bilangan kita harus menyusunnya menjadi bagian-bagiannya agar lebih mudah.
Ini untuk perkalian dengan cara bersusun pendek itu berarti ke bawah.
Iya.
Bersusun dengan cara panjang?
Bersusun dengan cara panjang sama seperti yang tadi, Sir. Kita susun kembali sama seperti yang tadi, puluhan dengan satuan, lalu kita pecahkan dia atau uraikan dia menjadi bagian-bagian terkecil, lalu kita dapat mengalihkannya.
Oke. Science. Okay, please explain this point, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Seed need to scatter away from their parent plant because they are prevent from compete with the parent plant, because kan parent plant also need like water and some vitamin from the root. If the seed growing beside or near of the parent plant, they will compete to each other.
Yeah.
Overcrowding, it is because growing close to parent plant. Overcrowding, it's like near of the parent plant so many young plant. It means they are compete together to reach the water, light, and vitamin from the roots. Overcrowding, it's dangerous for the plant because the fruit of the plant will be nothing, something like that.
Okay.
Different seeds are dispersed in various ways, such as by wind, water, animal, and explosions.
Okay. Next, math.
Okay.
This one, the cubes of even number. Oh, this one. So you only have one vocabulary list for cubes,
Actually,
right?
Actually, the another summary point need to be empty because we only do the question, something like that. You open it just now.
Oh, okay, I see. So for the next week, you only have one summary point, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Prime number have only two factors, one and itself, and then composite prime number that only can times by the one number and it's the number itself. Composite number have more than two factors. The composite number we can have the factor, or we can build the number become so many factors. It's equal like 4. 1 times 4 is equal 4. 2 times 2 equal 4. So the factors it's 4. 3. And then number 2 is only even number at the group of the prime number. Yes, from the prime number, there is 1 until 100, there is 25 prime number, and 2 is only even number at the group of the prime number.
25 from 1 until
100.
Okay, so the number 2 is
only the even number.
Only that.
Yes.
That even number. Okay, I see. Okay, Miss, I think we can move to the vocabulary list now. Okay, now we move to vocabulary list. You can start from Mathematica first.
You need to turn off.
Okay. Decomposisi. Oh no. This is from 14. Operasi.
Operasi adalah tindakan hitung menggunakan angka. Secara lisan artinya tindakan hitung yang menggunakan pembagian kali, bagi, tambah, kurang.
Persediaan.
Persediaan dalam bahasa Inggris itu supply adalah stok atau cadangan yang harus disiapkan. Secara lisan stok persediaan itu adalah stok atau cadangan yang harus disiapkan untuk kebutuhan pada masa mendatang. Contohnya, buku itu menjadi persediaan untuk masa mendatang.
Yes, now we can move to the science. Investigation.
Investigation is research inquiry and explanation in spoken. It's systematic study, research inquiry, and in particular subject.
For example,
For examples, what does also before?
investigation.
Investigation. Investigation. We do our investigation about math.
Okay, next is explosion.
Explosion is like a big, loud, fast burst. Explanation in spoken, it's a big cloud with a fast bursting. For examples like the plane have an explosion.
Okay, accurate.
Accurate is exactly has no error and has any mistakes.
Has any mistake?
No, without any mistakes.
Without any mistakes. Explanation in spoken.
Accurate expression in spoken is exactly has no error and without any wrong or any false or something like that.
For example,
For example, accurate is the scientists say the accurate fact.
okay. Start point.
Start point is where something begin, or the explanation in spoken is the place where it's a begin or beginning. The example is
Start point.
start point. We do running from the start point. It's running from the start point.
Okay. Counter.
Counter in definition is a flat top or opposite. And then counter explanation in spoken is as a flat surfaces or to go against. The counter example is I put things on top the counter of the table.